What is up, guys? It's Ducraft, and welcome back to the Minecraft Xbox 360 Hunger Games. And this map is called Beep Beep, whatever, hashtag Beep Beep, or whatever you want to call it. And I just fell in the pot. Well, this map was made by Castle Crafters, Team Ripples, and another build team. So let me go ahead and hop down here into this little seed hole and show you who I think who made it and the people that commented. So it's Castle Crafters and Team Ripples present welcome to Beep Beep. And that. So the rules are no breaking blocks, only death by other players count. Items may be crafted using items in chests. Grace period 1 to 2 minutes. Host aside, so I'll make it 2 minutes. Play on easy or harder for best experience. It's on easy. Load in natural for best results. Alright, it's on natural. So here's some comments that people would put. Alright. And here are the helpers. No, map makers. There's all these people. Yeah. Alright, so let's get that. Since that's over, let's go ahead and sorry, get back up here and hop in the host pod, and we will start it up. Alright, hop in. Alright, so give everybody their privileges real quick. Alright. And the people that are playing with is Mike Dyke Player, Rico Craft UK, Wolverine 5015, Mr. Pig 1532, Roaring Ant 52, Cowgirl 1115, and that is all. And me. Alright, so let's go in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so let's hurry up and get everything we possibly can out the chest. Real quick. Oh, this is seeds. Okay, whatever. Free seeds. Oh, I get it. Okay, I get it. Alright. Splash stuff with them ill enchanting. Let's go and run. Oh, here goes chest right there. Alright, and a crafting table. Alright, that's cool. That's good. Alright, so we got some arrows, some carrots. The compass, don't need that. We do not need the wheat, the arrows, sticks. Alright. Oh, yeah, we do need a carrot. We need the carrots. Eat the carrots real quick. Hey, cowgirl. Hello. So, grace period's 2 minutes, so we got a little time to hurry up and get everything we can and run away. And get ready for war. So, this is like actually my first time playing on here. I was on it while I was building it, but I never I never played it yet, so I don't know where anything's at. And how do you get up here? I guess like this. Alright. Potato. We've got some instant help, some chain leggings. Let's go ahead and hop all these on. Put this over here near the baked potato. Oh, yeah. And now let's run away. Whee! Oh yes, we got. Oh, we can use these webs in case people chase us. We can just put them in the webs. Yes. Oh, never. We don't need that. Okay. Alright, so there's poison right there. Alright, so now we need to find some more iron to get an iron sword, so that way we can demolish everybody in the Hunger Games map. Alright, so we do not need any of this. We got some arrows, so that's pretty good. Got some more carrots. That's awesome. Some more enchanting. So we're probably gonna have to go back to spawn in a minute and enchant some stuff. We got some more poison. Alright, but gold is always better than wood. Alright, let's put the poison and everything. So we got instant health, instant heal, potion of healing, poison, and poison. Alright, so we're good. Alright, no, we're not good. As long as the spiders not messing with us. You don't want it. You want it. You want some? I'll kill you, spider. Alright, let's go ahead and eat the baked potatoes. Or baked potato, actually. Alright. So somebody's already looted that chest over there. Let's move around. Let me turn gamer tags off at the moment. Grace period shouldn't be over in a minute. Oh, we got a stone sword, baby. There we go. Coming through. Alright. So let's go venture over here. Oh, found another chest. Justice everywhere. Everywhere today. Alright. And it's a chanting. It's like good. That way I'll be able to chant a sword and be able to kill him. Alright, Mr. Pig has now left the game. Let's try to get him back in there. Somebody invite his tail back so we can keep going. His grace period is about to end, so we need him to hurry up and join back into this match so he can get demolished by me. Ha. Somebody? Alright. Well, I guess nobody's inviting him. I'll invite him then. What? It says everybody's in here. Alright, Mike the player has left. Alright, this is not good. Oh. Alright, we need Mike the player to come back into this game. So, what we'll do is, I'll go ahead and hide. Before I turn grace period on, I'll invite the people back. Oh, yes. Instant damage. Hurry up and join. Alright, I just invited them now. Alright, well, let's keep going up then. Once both of them joins, I'll end grace period and we'll get this stuff started. So, alright, Roy and Ant left. Alright, why is everybody leaving? Is it my... I know it's not my connection. I don't know. My phone went off. Once again, it's like the second video that has done that. But, alright, so just 4 of us. We need everybody to join back so grace period gets started up. Grace period needs to hurry up. And end. Oh, I'll end it. Once we get the people, they need to hurry up and join. Oh no! It's a creeper! Alright. Mike the player has now joined. Alright, so we got one back. Yes, we're good. We're getting it. I wish I had an ender pearl. Alright. So I'm about to end grace period. And yeah, we're gonna start it up, I guess. So attack players. I guess since they're not joining, I guess we're not doing it. Come on, Rico Graph. You don't want none. Team. Team, Rico. Team. Team with me. Alright, yeah, you don't want a team? You don't want a team with me? Huh, Rico? Alright, Mike the player is now joined back. Alright. So we got... Oh, sharpness 1, baby. Let's go. Come on, punk. Quit running from me. Why are you running? Yeah, I'll run for you. I'll let you have the joy of chasing me. Come on. Come on, punk. Come on, punk. Come down here. I know, I've seen the videos today I watched. Like big stats and all them. People have been dying. Like he said, people has from trying to do parkour and failing at it horribly. And just falling down to the ground. So, well, hopefully we won't do that. And we'll be good. And so, let's... Oh. Oh yeah, baby. Cowgirl was slain. Alright. Cowgirl, Mike. Alright, so Mr. Pig and Mike died. So Cowgirl died. These two, they killed themselves. and Mike. They killed themselves. Well, they all killed each other at the same time. Oh! So it's now down to me and Rico. Rico. And if I can find these guys' YouTube channels, I will link their channels in the description below. I know Rico has one, and I think Mr. Pig had one because he was recording. So yeah. I'll get their channels down in the description below. Alright, so we got enchant level 3. Let's go ahead and enchant this sword. Rico! Come on, Rico. Rico? Alright. I suck at this, so alright. I shouldn't have did this because I suck horribly at it. So yeah, I don't think I should have done this because I think I'm now stuck. Oh, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Come on, Rico. Alright. Alright, so come on, Rico. You really gonna run down there? Rico craft. Rico. I need to eat some food. Alright, I don't have any food. I can't. Well, I got some. I can't eat it. Oh, it's a chest. Oh, somebody already took it. Oh well. Rico. Why are you running? Supposed to come to spawn, buddy. Come on down to the spawn. Rico Craft. Where you at, buddy? He also I can't wait for you. Rico! Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teleport him so we can fight at spawn. So I'll teleport him. I'll come all over here and let's go. Come on, Rico. Rico! Oh no, Rico. Oh no, I'm out of freaking. I'm out of arrows. I was trying to say armor. I'm out of arrows. Come on, Rico. Yes! One hit! Yes! We've won some of the games. Yes. You even have you had some good stuff too. I'm gonna go showboat in front of his face. Rico crap. Come here, buddy. Rico. What you done? You suck, Rico. You suck. Well, here comes Simon. That will be the end of this Hunger Games. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave some comments on what you think about these Hunger Games that I'm doing. Let me know if you have any Hunger Games that you want me to play with you guys. Download some or whatever one you want, whatever you do. I'll leave my gamer tag in the description. Send me a message if you want me to play some with you. I'll try to record if I possibly can. So yeah, let's get like 20 likes on this video. Hope you guys enjoyed.